For each of the score span elements, you will need to reset the text content. Start by adding a for each to your score spans rather. Score spans, and then the for each. So if you go up and search a spans, okay, oh, there it is. So I believe this is also an array, and we have interpolated the for each to access the score spans array and then iterate through its elements. And the for each is that there should be a callback function in here, and there should be a parameter called span, and then call in that span element and interpolate the text content property and set it to an empty string. So that would mean accessing that element and modifying its content to an empty string. So that would be it, guys.